Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here today. I am super excited to be checking out this stainless steel metal hose. This was sent to me as a gift to check out and share with you, and I'm really pumped to check it out because I have a lot of outside plants that I water multiple times a week by hand, and so finding a good hose is super important to me. So let's check out what's in the box. Okay, lots of hose. I love it, guys, like it's really lightweight. This is 75 feet of hose, and it is like nothing to hold, which is really awesome. Really nice nozzle with 10 different options. Trigger, and you can hold it open as well. And some extra washers. So if it does start to leak after you've had it for a while, because it's been baking in the sun, you can easily swap that out. So let's go hook this up outside and get busy watering. This is easy to install. It has a nice metal thread to hook up to your water spout. The hose is flexible, so it will rotate easily as you are moving your hose around your yard and area. This also has the nozzle, which is easy to install. Just simply screw it on. And again, it does come with replacement washers if you do need it. And I like that it has some texture here to help you get a good grip to attach it nice and snugly. It also has the flexibility on this end, so you've got lots of mobility within this hose as you're watering and moving around your yard. You can see the 10 different sprays here, so you can really use whatever spray works best for your needs at the time. Very easy to adjust with a quick click and rotation. I love how easy this hose is to use and move around my yard. I don't have to worry about it getting knotted up because it's all metal joints, and so it's not going to get tangled, and is just so sturdy and heavy duty. I also love that this is all metal, so my dogs, if they decide to chew on it, they won't be able to get through it. So this is so durable, so sturdy, and such a great tool. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do.